from a company, Mixon, a 25,000 RPM motor leaf blower with 3 speeds, 2 batteries, 4 amp hour batteries. That'd be 580 CFM. It weighs in at 4+ pounds with the shoulder strap and a hanging bracket. We're going to open up the box and show you how nicely it's packaged. We have a screwdriver, a strap, an instruction guide to go over with a battery charger with the red and green light that charges the battery in a couple of hours of time. Your 4 amp hour battery, 2 of them, and the color are orange of the product, orange and black. You simply slide the battery in with the locking tab, lift up to lock into place and charge your batteries for the first time. We charged our batteries already and they're ready to go. We have on the back some lights that we could turn the battery on to see the indicator of 4, 25% per increment. We have a hanging bracket. We have parts that put on the chute. Last but least, the leaf blower. The assembly process is very easy. It's clip and play. You simply take the first blower head, snap it into place, and lock it in. Once it snaps in and locks, all you need to do now is take the next piece, turn it around with the hole facing the top, pressing in on the button, and snapping in. When the batteries are charged, they go in the back one at a time. Grab a battery with the tab facing towards the bottom, like so, snap into place. It is a long press on the button for red light number 1, short press for red light number 2, short press for red light number 3, and cycles back to number 1, and long press to turn off, like so. This is the strap. It's adjustable with the shoulder part. It snaps on to the side over here and locks into place. A close-up look and snapping it in. It goes around your shoulder like so, and you blow leaves like so. We're going to demonstrate on how the unit works outside in an environment of leaves. We have a stand which is called the chassis stand. On the bottom here is a clip, and it clips right into here like so. And over here there are 2 screws that you're going to simply lock into place. You're given a screwdriver and 3 screws. Place the screws in and lock down. Here's the hole where the screw goes and screws down. The chassis allows the unit to stand correctly when fully assembled. So this way you could put it on a shelf anywhere imaginable. This unit could be stand up on an angle or like so. That is the chassis. Mixon leaf blower, 3 speeds with the shoulder strap, easy to turn on, long press, we're on low, medium, high. We're going to clean up and show you how nicely this blows on the highest level, 160 miles per hour. Maxon 20 volt. Change out the battery as simple as just taking it off, putting a new one on. The Mixon. As you can see inside, that's the only spinning part right here. Safety guard. The motor over here, you can see how nicely it's designed inside. That's where the motor's at. Assembly, again, as easy as snapping together, matching up the parts and taking apart. And it stands up with the chassis. You're looking for a leaf blower, hours on end of use with a spare battery and charger. This leaf blower may be something you're looking for. Check them on out. I hope you enjoy your product. I still got a lot of leaf to blow, and I'm still on 4. Have a great day and enjoy your garden needs. Not just for gardening, cleaning out the house, garage, your car, anywhere that you need to blow air. Enjoy your leaf blower from Mixon.